one, off you go.
This is my topic presentation on 2.1.8 features of applications. So the first main feature is a toolbar. So the toolbar is normally a widget that's just displayed on the screen with buttons, mainly input and output buttons that can be displayed. Toolbars allow users to easily navigate through different pages, especially in scenarios when there's multiple directions users can take, such as on a website. A taskbar is a type of toolbar which you would normally find at the bottom of your computers, which normally show you which programs are currently running and also allows you to open and close said programs. Ribbons, which were the original tool for toolbars, are now used in scenarios when toolbars link to other toolbars, and address bars are used to input searches and display predicted websites and search options. So here are just 3 examples of what they typically look like. A menu. So menus are visual representations of options that share a common house. For example, underneath a file tab, it opens all the options related to that, like saving, making a new file, or deleting a file. Menus provide ease of use to the user, as it requires less time for users to find the pages or tools they need to access. So here are just 2 examples of different types of menus you can see. One on the left has different colors you can select, while as I demonstrated, while I just said the file one shows different things you can do with a file. So dialog boxes are messages that are displayed to users which prompt a corresponding action. So normally the most common ones you'll see are alerts when an error takes place in your computer. So there's 2 types. There's modal, which require a user input to continue, such as a warning message. For example, a low battery message, in which it requires you to click OK. And modeless don't require any sort of response. So here you can see 3 examples of modal ones in which they require you to click either dismiss or OK. And finally, graphical user interface. So these provide visual connections between the normally hard to understand command line aspects of code and the user, and they've replaced command line interfaces for most people, since there's normally a deep skill barrier between those who can and can't use it. They were introduced as a result of these steep learning curves, and they kind of aim to provide users with a simple, more accessible experience. And they contain WIMP, which includes windows, icons, menus, and pointers. Here are just some examples of graphical user interface features. We have icons, and then in the middle we have menus, and then finally on the right-hand side we have pointers. Thank you.